Welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the stunning Ses Salines beach on the beautiful Spanish island of Ibiza. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Located on the southern coast of Ibiza, Ses Salines Beach is a pristine paradise renowned for its natural beauty and vibrant atmosphere. Named after the nearby salt flats, this beach features crystal-clear turquoise waters and soft white sands, making it a favorite for both locals and visitors. Part of a protected natural park, Ses Salines boasts an unspoiled charm. The surrounding dunes and pine forests create a picturesque backdrop, perfect for relaxation. Whether you're looking to bask in the sun, swim in the clear waters, or take a leisurely stroll along the shore, Ses Salines offers a tranquil escape from daily life. The beach's lively atmosphere is complemented by a wide range of activities. Adventure seekers can enjoy paddleboarding, snorkeling, and beach volleyball, while those seeking relaxation can indulge in yoga sessions by the sea. The gentle waves and clear waters also make it an ideal spot for families with children. Ses Salines isn't just about sun and sand, it's also a culinary haven. The beach is lined with numerous cafes and restaurants offering delicious Mediterranean cuisine and refreshing cocktails. From fresh seafood to traditional Spanish tapas, there's something to delight every palate. As the day winds down, make sure to catch the breathtaking sunset. The sky transforms into a stunning palette of colors, providing the perfect end to your beach day. Ses Salines Beach in Ibiza is truly a gem, combining natural beauty, exciting activities, and culinary delights. Hope you enjoyed this beach tour. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time.